crows way over there. Mom was hopping in the shower, so I didn't feel the need to yell across the house. So let's walk up and find our crows. Some little robins up there. I hear some crows down there. Hey, are you guys gonna stop? No one's stopping. Hey guys. Huh. I really thought they were swinging back around to get some treats. Maybe they'll catch up with me later. They're just having fun now, I guess. Hey, where you going? Hey, all you guys. You want me over there? I'm coming. Good morning. I got treats for you. Yeah, call them back, because I'm leaving something right here. Enough for you and your friends if they come back. I'll help you get it. Woo. Yeah, they got it. At least one of them does. Oh, there you are. Okay, well, they got it. That's good. One up in that tree, and little doggies aren't out yet. Ah, those. This guy gotta stop for me? Hi. Where are we going? Try to find a good landing spot. Okay. Well, we're at the chickens, but they're not out, it seems. Okay, I got treats for you.
I breathe like that.
1 second. Let's see. I'll put it right over here, I guess, so you can see me. There. Nice little pile for you. I'll see you later. There's a few down that way. I hope you get that. Okay. Get your treat. You can't see, he's on the telephone line right here. Get your treat. Get it. Oh, he might be calling his friends. I hope. They're all over the place this morning. Are they coming? Okay, I'll leave you a treat. Oh, I see your friend got its treat right down there. Yeah. Okay. 1 second. There you are. Let's put a nice little treat right here for you. Okay. I'll see you later. You'll enjoy that. Alright, well, they're gonna get it. Sure got a lot of crow friends showing up today. It's a very nice morning. Okay. Can't walk backwards forever. Get it. Get your treat. Yeah. Alright. Little starling. I bet it's gonna join. Yeah. I saw. Oh wait. Yeah. I saw them somewhere. Yeah, there they are. They're joining. You gotta see what's up. Oh, there's a crow back there. And they ate up all the treats from yesterday. So, we'll give them some more. Why aren't they leaving me, like, shiny presents here? They should. I haven't seen anything shiny around. Alright, well. I think he's checking out. Go get your treat. There's a second one. The sun sure looks cool today. Oh, of course it's behind that. There. It's neat. It's a weird hazy day. Oh, the crow. Hey. Alright. There's a small pile. Go join him before he eats it. There are so many birds over here. This tree is full of robins, but the tree back there, wow. You gotta take a peek. You can hear it. Oh, so many. Look at all these birds. All these robins. Woo. This is like a preschool or something. Or daycare? I don't know. I see you guys. I'm coming. Everyone's out today. Hi. You want some treats? They're both looking at me, very interested. Hi. Got treats for you. Okay. I'll put it right here. There. There's a nice treat for you. Okay? Yeah. Alright. Another one showed up over there. There you are. Oh, there's 4. Oh my gosh, how many are there? I don't know. 4, maybe 5. See you guys. They all zipped right by me really fast. Oh my go. Crossing's good. Do it again. What's left? Oh, what's going on? Oh. That might be a flicker. With some little starlings. Yeah, that's a flicker. But here we are at my secret spot. Check out this water. How high is it? It's getting kind of high. There's still just enough standing space. Yeah, the water's risen quite a lot. Yeah, see, there's no space for a friend to stand there. Yeah, it'd be real dangerous. He'd slip in. It's a very noisy crow over there. Oh, it's so bright. It's too bright. We're almost at Fred Meyer. Oh. And here's the stream. I don't think it's gonna come over here. Here. It's a pretty nice day. It's a good day for all these birds to have fun. I saw some robins. You found me. 1 second. Let's get over here. I guess you're looking for a treat. 1 second. I'll just put it here. This parking lot's gonna be dead on a Saturday, so I'll just put it right here. I'll see you later. He just popped out of nowhere. Yeah. You're still up there. Someone's watching me. The neighborhood crows come looking for me. Sorry? Yeah. Yeah, I carry a little bag of treats. It's just dry cat food and unsalted peanuts.
Nice.
Yeah.
How you been?
Good. Oh, the crows are showing up.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm just heading back on my walk. I was going to visit with these little guys.
Yeah, cool.
Well, I hope you've been well.
Yeah, doing okay.
Good.
Yeah. How about yourself?
Oh, I'm pretty good. It's really nice weather.
Yeah.
Oh, he just left.
Yeah.
Oh, no worries. I've fed a whole bunch of them today.
Yeah.
A big group of them showed up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good deal.
It's been fun. It's a nice walk.
Yeah.
I gotta give these guys
some more, huh?
Yeah, they do.
Yeah. I'll see you.
Yeah. Okay. Let's get your treats. Hey guys. Okay. I'm gonna put it here in the grass, I guess. Maybe I should have put it on the sidewalk, but Whatever. There you go. Okay. See you later. Are they going to get it? I don't know. I think they will. Maybe once I leave. Hey, what's up? One second. I got treats for you. Okay. Oh, there's a peanut right there. So I guess I'll just put it right there. Okay. I'll see you later. There's a car coming. Hey, we got our treat. I think I've fed all the town's crows today. Yay. Alright, well I'm gonna get home. In a little while I'll be going to get some McDonald's for lunch. This tree is full of robins. There's so many in there. It's weird, it's still kind of foggy this late in the day. Looks foggy down there. A lot of birds. There's robins over here in the walnut tree. A whole bunch of them. What's Velcro doing? Kitty. Messing with the curtain. Kitty, kitty. Yesterday there was a big fight between this neighbor and the upstairs neighbor. The upstairs neighbor is a problem, her and her kids. And there was a fire apparently, or almost a fire. She said there was smoke coming from her thermostat. And they had the fire truck, well, it's bright, sorry. But they had the fire truck out here. There was a bunch of people. I came out and yeah, there was a big fight between two ladies. It was pretty nasty. I think she's going to get evicted after pulling that stunt. She's already been a problem. Cops have been called so many times. It's crazy. Hey. Bye. Wow, it's sunny now. Some crows over there. And we got some kitties. Hi, kitties. I gotta lock up. Look at this little guy. I love the magpies. The crows are having a party down there. Oh, that's cool. That's a magpie nest. I've seen them do this before. They make these big old orb things. And there's one right over there. He flew out of the tree near it. But yeah, big old magpie nest. Well, that's a surprise. This bush is usually bustling with tons of birds. No party right now. few crows over by the Super 1. Oh, there goes more. Oh. Should I leave him a treat? Are you coming back? Oh, oh, they're all leaving. Well, maybe not. Okay. Look at our snowy hills. They look cool. I'm heading to McDonald's now. Get myself some lunch. The worst pedestrian path. My legs are not that long. I don't know if that's a magpie nest or maybe doves. Probably magpies. They really like this neighborhood. There's that kitty. Kitty. Little deaf kitty. Bye-bye. All these magpies over here. There's one. And we got one somewhere down here. It's one around the side. They sure are cute. Oh, bye-bye.